What's that? Is that a turd?
Sticky poo.
Is that like edible?
No, well you can try it. This is sticky poo.
Awesome.
I don't know why I thought of you.
Keep that bud. Rubber side down.
You there, ladies and gents, how's it going? There's Lamb Chops, there's Mr Fish, there's a KTM 250 4-stroke and a Honda Africa Twin, and me on my Beta Alp. We're down at Loomies and we're heading off to do some green lanes in the sogginess. Yes, apparently there's a noise camera over there and that's noisy. Oh, you little rebel!
This is just a stretchy poo, mate.
Yeah.
Feel that, feel it.
Oh wow.
That is just horrible, isn't it? Once you peel those eyes off, it'd be more offensive just to shut
Yeah,
somebody.
sit on it.
To the missus. I bought you a sex toy. What's a lamb chop with a turd sticking out his pressure, mate? A sticky poo and a cigar. It's a poo cigar.
Cigar.
Oh, what we're going to do today, you can put the sticky poo in my backpack, could you? Just checking that, thank you. Is it a fresh bite? Yeah, of course it is. Oh yeah, mine.
Sticky poo inserted.
I should get that out later. Do I need?
You probably should, because I don't know where we're going.
I don't know where we're going. Probably a good idea. I'll put that into the question.
And we're off. The shenanigans. Muddy, mucky shenanigans. Oh, I feel so good to be out on the bike. I mean, it is absolutely grim as a grimness day. But that's what these bikes are for, right? Just get a bit lucky. I got utterly drenched on the way down here. So even before I got to Loomies, I had more inside my trousers, which wasn't particularly comfortable, I have to say. It's all good, it's all fun. It's awesome to get out with Lamb Chops and Mr Fish. We had hoped to have a few others with us as well, but they were unable to get down here with us. Not the end of the world, hopefully we'll get another chance for them another time. Oh, man. Get up, get up. This rut's pushing me sideways. Need to get out of it. Come on, let me get out of it. There we go. Cool. Boys wiggling around underneath me a lot. I haven't done any proper slimy stuff for quite a while, so I'm quite looking forward to what today brings us. I don't know how long we're out for. We're out until we're not. Yes. I had hoped to get my little video system going, but it just doesn't work with the backpack I'm wearing. I can't get my back to I can't get the mount to stay on the back. Wow, that was so much easier than last time. Woo!
Slippery, isn't it?
Yeah, that was awesome.
That's pretty slippery. That's the sticky poo.
See, this is what dual sports are all about. Grabbing a couple of mates and going out on shitty days that you wouldn't want to ride your road bike on. It's exactly what it's all about. I can't remember how this lane goes. The downhill's fun. It's not chalk, and I don't think this is chalk. The other one I don't think is chalk, it's not scary. Oh, I've missed this, I've missed this so much. It's not like the only riding that I enjoy doing. I love the road riding. I absolutely love the track days. But I feel so free and just exploring, even on lanes that I've done before. I feel like I'm improving my skills every time I ride this thing. So yeah, this is blooming awesome. It really is. And it does actually look like this was chalk. A little bit. What you don't know don't hurt you, and all that stuff, eh? I'm not very familiar with... Oh, that's a deepie. I'm not very familiar with this lane, but it goes in this direction, so I guess I'm doing it right. I was talking to Mr Fish earlier on in Loomies about picking a side on lanes when you're going through puddles and stuff, and he was saying he goes down the middle, and as you can see from here where there's no puddles, the middle bit's slightly higher up, so the middle's slightly higher up than the sides, which means you're less likely to drown the bike. But if you have to dab a foot in it, you're falling over, you're going off. Slimy! Oh shit. I'm glad I went centre on that one because like I was saying, the edges of that could have been really deep. Oh god. Ah! Oh. It definitely stinks of poo.
There's a pitch barb over here somewhere, but that's a snowy wash off. Run off. You don't want to fall off with that. Or drink heavy.
No. I'm glad I went down the middle on that last one.
Yeah, I didn't.
Oh, did you go down the side?
I went to the right.
You see, I was like just talking about like what we were saying in Loomies.
Yeah, I know.
About you going down the middle and me going down. That's nice, that is.
Old pig shit gloves. Only real men do this shit, you know?
Stupid men.
Oh yes, I'm sorry, only stupid men. I think there's something wrong with them. We're not all there, are we? Okay. I've got to explain to the missus now why I smell a pig. Convinced I've not been rolling around in a bath and stuff like that. It's good looking. Bit of a pig. Which way are we going?
Down that way.
Down that way. Yeah. And it's downhill chalk. Yeah. In the rain.
Yeah.
With big ruts.
You know that your favourite.
My favourite. It's downhill chalk in the rain with big ruts. You know what I mean? There's no need to applaud that.
Oh, it's quite misty and murky. I'm quite impressed with how well my goggles are staying unfogged. It doesn't help visibility when visibility's bad. Yeah, this is the way. Who knows the way? Pretty sure this is the way. This looks familiar. Right. Is it going to be scary? Am I going to fall off? I did say while we were at Loomies that I'm probably overdue falling off. Yeah, we're allowed down it. This killed me, it really did. It really killed me going down with the guys last time. Yeah, the ruts, I couldn't ride them, couldn't do anything. They were deeper than my bike, or it felt that way at the time. But yeah, I think I want to stay on the right hand side, because on the left hand side they do get really quite deep. Yeah, you can see the rut there. I'm not going to go in that until I fall in that. It's trying to grab me into. That just literally wear me out if I go into that. Don't be tricked, don't be tricked. Stay over this side, stay over this side. That side is horrific. My bars are quite bent, I think. From a little off I had when I wasn't even on the bike. Jesus, 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 that's like ice. It's like ice. Oh man, Jesus. Oh my God. Whew. Yeah, this is really quite difficult because it's chalk, it's wet, and it's covered in leaves, and it's rutted, and I've just given myself a hernia. Oh. Anyway, we're alive. I didn't fall off. I mean, I might have had to massively dab and all that, but I didn't fall off. This is quite hard going. Oh, I'm going to end up in the rut, aren't I? Oh, that's what it is. That's what it is. Stay on this side. Oh, it's freaking so slippery. Try and get out the rut. Don't want to be in that. That's where I got stuck before and it just utterly zapped me. Oh yeah. Well, I'm doing better than I was before because I'm not in that. Damn it! I didn't want to go in there. Well, that's my brake lever, a little bit bent. Right, it's all good. See what I mean? I'm in the rut. And I ain't getting out of this one now. I ain't getting out of it. My feet are just sliding. They're just sliding. They're just sliding. Here we go. Here's that drop off. It's alright, just roll down it.
Get around here.
Yeah.
Put my back in there as well.
Well, do you want the back down there? Nice one.
I'll get back on again. Get back to the car then. He's not back to the bike yet.
This bit is steep as well.
If you want somebody to blame, here he is. Who's his idea. It was his idea.
Whew.
Oh, you're going to be wearing it. You're doing well there, mate, I have to say. Oh, that bit there. There's another one of those, isn't there? And that is it. Once you've done that one, I think that's more or less it.
It's well slidey, isn't it?
Yeah.
And then ruts, they just come up right up the side of the bike, don't they?
You've got to stay in the rut. No point trying to go outside the rut.
I tried staying out of it, that's why I fell off.
I know. You've got to just get in them.
Yep.
But it's harder to walk on it than on the bike. You'll be surprised. End up on your ass.
It's a good drop, that.
I'm 8'7". He's 8'7". So we got, what we got down? You're ruining my boots. Woo! We're going down that one. Yeah.
No, I'm going to go down the left.
Go down that one.
Because that one on the right is just a vertical drop.
In the right.
That's just vertical, that is. My suspension won't be able to do that, I don't think.
I think he's going to slide that way. I might just go and cut mine down there.
I'm going to try and go left, and if I end up in the middle, it's all good.
Or I'll just put it there in neutral
And let it fall.
and I'll run round to catch it.
Well, I think that's how Pezza got down it. Pezza just dropped his bike down it.
Did he? Is this your idea?
Well, I did want to try this one again.
You
You might not be able to get back up again if you walk down there.
that's the trouble. Right, well, we have to push the back down. We're in no man's land. Has KTM approved this test? So it's all been fairly easy stuff so far. I got something on it, haven't you? Yeah. So I wouldn't fancy doing it on anything but one of these. That's true, that's true. Do what you guys are doing that one. It's a dual sport. Dual sport. That's the thing, incline like there. Huh? Put the incline down like there.
Easy! It's easy! It's easy! Do it! It's got a soft landing!
Really? I need them up front so we can get it.
Thanks for watching. I'm really sorry about the audio on this and the grubby camera lens towards the end. This was a blooming marvellous day out. Really awesome to get out with Mr Fish and lamb chops. Fantastic day. Can't wait to do it again. Hopefully we'll grab the other reprobates that weren't able to get out on this one then too. Yeah, fantastic stuff. Anyways, if you enjoyed this video and you haven't done so already, please do click that subscribe button. It'd be great to have you come back for some more. And if you like this video, please do give it a little thumbs up too. And if you didn't, you can always give it a little thumbs down. That's all cool. That's all cool in the skull. But whatever you do, please do drop in a comment. I'd love to hear from you. Anyways, you ride safe. Take care. And I shall catch you all in the next one. Bye-bye for now.
Gotta keep that bike rubber side down. You know, you gotta keep that bike rubber side down.